Can I track my application status using my VFS reference number?
Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to discuss a common question. Can I track my application status using my VFS reference number? The simple answer is, yes, you can. Let's break down the process for you.
What is a VFS reference number?
Before we dive into the how, let's first understand what a VFS reference number is. A VFS reference number is a unique identifier assigned to your application when you apply for a visa or other services through VFS Global. This number is essential for tracking your application status.
How to track your application?
Now, let's get into the process of tracking your application. Here are the steps. 1. Visit the official VFS Global website. 2. Navigate to the Track Your Application section. 3. Enter your VFS reference number and your date of birth. 4. Click on Track Status. Once you've done this, you'll be able to see the current status of your application. Remember, your VFS reference number and date of birth are required to track the application.
What can you expect to see?
The tracking system provides updates on the various stages of your application, such as application submitted, application under review, application forwarded to the embassy, decision made, passport dispatched. The status will reflect where your application is currently in the process.
What if you can't track your application?
If you're unable to track your application, it could be due to a few reasons. The details entered are incorrect. Make sure you're entering the VFS reference number and your date of birth correctly. The tracking system might be down for maintenance. Try again later. The status of your application hasn't been updated yet. Sometimes, it takes a few days for the system to be updated after you've submitted your application. If you've checked all these possibilities and still can't track your application, consider reaching out to VFS Global Customer Support. And there you have it. Now you know how to track your VFS application status using your reference number. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Remember, keeping track of your application status gives you peace of mind and helps you plan better. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your application.